So I'm just sorry, the what is Supreme Court. The decision by Accra High Court I allow EC say on recollate some 4 parliamentary results. You know, Supreme Court brusco to Assembly Court baby, and I say Supreme Court has quashed the High Court decision that allowed the EC to recollate some parliamentary results. And which is, you know, Supreme Court assign so how that say the NDC's application against the disputed parliamentary results, and I say against the recollation of the disputed parliamentary results, you know, that case or that matter has to be reheard by the High Court, but this time around under a new judge. You will cause answer into details. And which is, you know, Ebi Bright, another NDC candidate for Tema Central, and Baba Sadiq, also a NDC candidate, you know, one reacted after the Supreme Court decision. And which is, you know, the lawyer for the NPP, and also a reacted. Dr. Rashid Tanko Computer, the IT person of the NDC, and also Akasa Afahon. Make sure say unsubscribe to this channel. You never subscribe. Now, if you watch share video, now for so you be there. I share. Now also turn on the notification bell for latest updates. Drop a comment, and as I will tell you what video no be ano. My sanka in the comment section. Afi yanko asem into details. Ebusuya yebeka ya na atwetwe mo no and Accra High Court. The by said the Electoral Commission has to go back and recollate some disputed parliamentary seats, including Tema Central, Okankwe Central, Techiman South, Ablekuma North, and Salmadu Ejiri, Obuasi East, among others. Now, before the recollation, NDC called court to block the EC from undertaking such recollation. I don't know High Court, a brusco to 172 because when Tekra and not allow EC said the issue should go ahead and recollate those parliamentary results. And I'm sure most of the recollation were here, it went in favor of the NPP, though the earlier collation or the earlier declaration went in favor of the NDC. Now, some say when the Supreme Court what they have to go say the decision by the High Court to allow the EC to recollate, and find and that recollation, they're nullifying, and which is, the High Court should go back and rehear the NDC's application challenging the recollation in the first place. And this time around, the rehearing is going to be under a new judge. And your judge not so last week. New judge never checked them. Now we see NDC for petitioner what the other said. The recollation should not be done. Nebuchadnezzar, same way I got to go. I'm saying they say I question it has brought mixed reactions. If you so, Supreme Court take the seminar NDC was just sitting now NDC. If you so, actually one journey after and it's a message court a seminar kasa fi judge nenum so the seminar etuga FI na assign atwaso.
We have decided to exercise our discretionary power to quash Basishora having regard to the peculiar circumstances of each ruling. Consequently, we hereby quash the orders of mandamus made for collation of results by the Electoral Commission in the following constituencies. 1. Okaikwe Central. 2. Ablekuma North. 3. Tema Central. And 4. Techiman South. Accordingly, the collation of results in the above constituencies by the Electoral Commission after 20th December 2024 on the orders of the court are hereby set aside. The time for filing is hereby abridged. Circumstance of time constraint on the national electoral calendar, we hereby abridge the time for the hearing of the mandamus applications in the High Court and direct the High Court to hear the applications for mandamus on Tuesday, 31st December 2024.
Supreme Court SN redirected the High Court to rehear the NDC's application against the recollation of the disputed parliamentary results. Now, after the verdict by the judge, Ebi Bright, another NDC candidate for Tema Central, any Baba Sadiq, Ekasai, reacted towards the decision by the apex court of the land.
The true mandate of the people will still stand. We're grateful to the courts for heeding our requests.
We're happy that our confidence in the law has, borne its fruits, and we're happy to go and continue. I think it's important that everybody understands that this is just the beginning of our work. And I think that this experience equips us to be able to represent all our people a lot better.
And then I think it redeems the image to an extent of our courts and our judges. So it's all well and good.
Sarah Suna, the lawyer for the NPP, and also after the court proceedings, Oshia and Samchirefo, Edim Sembi, Etu Gwabese Kutie, in Sama, the NDC's legal team and the party executive Supreme Court, also what to section for him about the issue.
The court said it's a fundamental rule to be heard. So go back to the court and have your matter heard. So it's simplicity. We are going back on Tuesday. They will file their response. Okay, on why they think that there was collation or there was no collation. The court will hear the matter, make an order for EC to go and make collation and a declaration.
It was the director in charge of IT of the NDC, Dr. Rashid Tanko Computer, and also a granted some interview with Nsamchirefo or the same Etu Gwabese Ekuti, Dr. Rashid Tanko also about this same issue.
Him to continue with that bias that he was showing and sidestepping legal principles, and it was unfair to us, completely unfair. We're expecting that a high court judge of that nature should understand some of the basic principles underlying natural justice.
I don't have questions.
You are making a decision that will affect somebody. The person wants to join the matter. You say he shouldn't join. You don't see anything reason why the person should join the matter. When they made those decisions, didn't it affect our candidate? It affected all the candidates so named in it. So why should he continue to sit on that matter? We are happy they replace him. He shouldn't sit on any issue concerning our matter again because he has shown his biases too much.
It's a Busuya Sabra can say there. I got some few days. Na electoral na Parliament House. And as I got some few days, they are swearing in the president-elect and the members of Parliament-elect. And until High Court no sign Chiremu say Tuesday Beyano. The Supreme Court Chiremu say Tuesday Beyano. High Court end sa seminar end this by 10 because the electoral calendar no in Yaketi so that they can expedite actions to make sure that all the legal tussles surrounding this year's parliamentary elections will be resolved before the swearing in of the president-elect and the MPs-elect on January 7th. And Sabi the Supreme Court in summer High Court this 1 year recollation of some parliamentary results Quashed na Sabi the train in summer ebefi echiaba after the court has heard the NDC's application on Tuesday. Stay tuned on this channel for all updates on these electoral issues. I am so phone na apia busia edimu ebesia. Bye bye.